High-tension wires running through trees and poor internet access are just two of the many issues plaguing the community of Retreat in St. Ann. The residents told TVJ News that they are fed up as nothing has been done to fix the life-threatening problems. Shamela Pullen tells us more.
This is one of the many guinea trees in Retreat St. Ann where the boys from the area would go to pick the fruit. But several high-tension wires running through the trees pose a danger for them.
I'm in the trees to get the fruit. It's not very, very nice because they can be struck. Yeah, they can be electrocuted.
I see a man climb a guinea tree there and get electrocuted, he almost dead. Pear tree again down the road there. And the wood up on top of the hill. I'll like where you pop down a roadside.
I would like, for instance, to see the JPS come and bush the trees, because if the trees are not bushed, the wires are always collapsing and it is always giving us problems with our electricity, you know, and it mash up our fridges, our TVs, our radios. They don't pay attention to us.
But there's another issue. The residents say the community suffers from lack of consistent internet, which affects students preparing for exams.
There's no backup power there, so whenever light is out, there's no communication able to be done. I'm told that batteries were previously stolen, as also gasoline, hence they have not replaced them.
We're asking Digital, please Digital, give us a hand, help us in getting back, with you putting in the all back, the alternate, the options for us to get some data as it regards to even the children.
The residents claim they've tried on several occasions to make contact with both to the JPS and the Office of Utilities Regulations, OUR, but their issues remain unsolved.
We have waited too long and really asking the powers that be to give some listening ears to the concern of the resident of this community.
Meanwhile, JPS Media and Public Relations Manager Audrey Williams says the company is aware of the light wires running through the trees and it is something they're working to fix soon.
So the main trunk that leads into Retreat is Standfast. And work was done on that last week, Wednesday, the 27th of May. A lot of bushing, vegetation management along that trunk. Next week now, we go on the laterals as the side roads leading off of Standfast. So we're going into Retreat and Enfield in the week of June 8th to 12th. And the following week, the 15th to the 19th, we will be in Keith and Retirement. So it's really part of a bigger program.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.